Sweet potatoes in the air fryer, look how easy it is. We'll need 700 grams of sweet potatoes. Start by slicing them into rounds, then cut each round in half. Transfer them to a bowl, and season to taste with black pepper, salt, lemon pepper, and olive oil. Now just mix everything together to coat well. Once that's done, let's put it in the air fryer. Spread them out on the tray and cook for 20 minutes. So simple and easy, we added flavor and meaning to a simple sweet potato. For those who work out, this can be a great option, so here's the tip. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more, and comment below with any recipes you'd like to see here. See you next time.